Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we'll be seeing about ring or vibrate. So here is our problem statement and expected solution length is around just 2 lines. So let's see what is our problem statement. Suppose you are designing a circuit to control a cell phone's ring and vibration motor. Whenever the phone needs to ring from an incoming call, input ring, your circuit must either turn on the ringer or the motor. So whenever your cell phone rings, it must turn on the ringer equal to 1 or motor equal to 1, but not both. Okay. If the phone is in vibrate mode, then we have to just turn on the motor. So they have given us here, try using only assign statement. So we have to use only assign statement and the expected solution length is around 2 lines. So let's see how we can do it. So here they have given us the hint. So let's see what is our hint. When designing circuit, one has to think of a problem backwards, like reverse engineering, starting from the outputs, then working back towards the input. This is often so what we have to think of is first we have to think of the output, then we have to go to the input. So like we see here, like input vibrate mode should turn on the motor. So first we will go for the motor, assign motor. So when should be the motor on? The motor should be on either during the ringing, when the ring, or in the vibrator mode. In the vibrator mode. So how can we think of it? So let's take a hint. For this particular problem, one should be thinking the motor is on when, rather than in vibrate mode. So going through the hint, we can see that motor is on when in vibration mode or during the ringing. So vibration mode or during the ring. So we can write like vibrate mode, vibrate mode ended with ring. So whenever the motor, when these both are on, the motor will be on, and when one of it fails, the motor will be off. Because in ring also we can use the motor, and in vibrate mode we cannot use the ring. So these are. So let's see first if our motor is working correctly. So the compilation process has been started. So stat is incorrect because we haven't wrote another condition. But as you can see, the vibrate mode here, the motor and the mode, our output and the reference output are matching. So that means we are correct. So for the assign ringer. So when should the ringer be on? Ring should, but not the both. If I input ring, your circuit must either turn on the ringer or the motor, but not both. Not both. So as we know that in vibration mode, the motor will be turned on. So we will invert the vibration mode so that we don't want the ringer and the motor to be on at a single time. So invert of vibrate mode ended with ring. This is because we doesn't want the motor to be equal to 1 during the ringer mode. So let's submit. So the compilation process has been started. So as you can see, status is success, and here are the timing diagrams which are matching. So whenever the ring is on and vibrate mode is off, so these are the inputs, ring and vibrate mode. So then our ringer will be on, and whenever both are on, the ringer should be off because they are written here, but not both. So that's all for today's video. Next video I will be seeing about the thermostat.